Hi there, I'm Ladybug, and I will show you how to create your first sprite in Vampirio Engine using Vampirio Code. Let's start. We should create a new C++ project using Vamp Engine MSVC, okay, this compiler. Let's try it with F5 and we can see a red rectangle. Let's delete this. And now we need for this program a res folder. Where's that res folder? Our res folder is on our GitHub, Ladybug, that's me. And we should go to repositories and now Vamp Engine Vampirio. Here it is, the res folder, and we have our player here, the tile set, everything. So the easy way to do this is to go to the main site of Vamp Engine Vampirio, and here on code we have to press download zip. Now that we have the zip, we need to open it, and here it is, our res folder. Let's minimize this and let's do this first. We need to move the project, so we have to go to project, move build, and for example let's delete this and create a new tutorial folder, select the tutorial folder, and as we can see the project is moved. Sorry for that, that's the elevator. So we moved the folder. A good practice is to go to edit and rename the main file. Our file is called untitled1, so we need to rename. We could, that's not necessary, but it's a good practice. A new file called main cpp. Okay, now let's try again to compile this. Compiles well. And now, very important for this tutorial, let's go and do a right click there, everything in everywhere, and open file location. And this is our tutorial and our main file. So let's extract the res folder here. Okay, and now what we have inside res folder? We have a player, a tile set, and a sprite sheet. What we need for this tutorial is this, and this. So let's copy the name for this, for example, or for this, and let's create our first sprite. We need an instance of a sprite, so we can use the onInit function. So we need to do sprite equals new sprite, and now sprite add frame with our res folder, and then player 3. If we press F5 we will see nothing. Why? Because there's some sprite attached nowhere. So to be seen, we have to tell our engine that the sprite lives or live. Sorry for that. So let's do this. Engine add child, and here we add our sprite. Let's see. And here it is, our first sprite in the main window. It's funny. And now what we can do, we can add another frame, and let's see, this is for left, for right is 02, for up is 04, and for down is 01. And what we can do here, something funny, is to play an animation for all these 4 sprites or images. Let's go. Here it is. Our sprite is changing the images inside. So let's delete this. Let's do something very cool, that is moving the sprite. So on our logic function, we need to call to keyboard is down, and then a key, for example key left, and we can move our sprite to the left using the X position. As we can see, if I press left, goodbye to our sprite. And now we will do the same, but for the right key. Let's write here right, and now we increment the X position, and let's see, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Let's do the same for up and down. Let's put here an else, and here the same for up and down, but now we need to use our Y position, and let's check it out. This is our sprite moving on the screen. Now, something that we can do is to set the frame for each movement. For example, for the left, an image pointing to the left, an image moving to the pointing to the right when we press the right button. So let's do that, and we could write the sprite set frame, and we set the frame. This is our first frame, and for the right we set the frame for the second one. And let's see, I move to the right, I move to the left, and now we can do the same for up and for down. So let's copy this, let's put here a 3 and a 4 here, and let's go. This is our sprite moving. So that's the tutorial for now. In the next tutorial I will show you how to create an animation so the player can start walking to the left, right, up and down. Okay, so goodbye.